What's something people don't know about ceiling fans? They're actually way cooler than you think. Alright, ceiling fans 101. When you flip the switch, electricity powers a motor inside the fan. This motor makes the blades spin round and round. But here's the fun part, it's not the spinning that cools you down. The blades push air down, creating a breeze. This breeze helps sweat evaporate from your skin, which makes you feel cooler. And in winter, flip the switch on the fan to reverse the direction. The blades will push warm air that's up near the ceiling back down into the room. So, you stay cozy without cranking up the heat. See? Ceiling fans are simple, but super smart. Next time you chill under one, you'll know exactly how it keeps you comfy. Stay cool, folks.